Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class. Today date is 17 December 2020. I am teaching you chapter number 24 and name of the chapter is Reaching Out. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in the previous video we have completed the book exercise of chapter number 24, and now after that we have started question number D, short answer questions. Short answer question. Question number 1 we have already completed. What are smartphones? Now let's start with question number 2. What do you mean by global connectivity? What do you mean by global connectivity? What do you mean by global connectivity? So student, when we are talking about the global connectivity, it means we are discussing about the means of mass communication. What is mean of mass communication? To communicate with large number of people at the same time. This is known as means of mass communication. To communicate with large number of people at the same time, this is known as means of mass communication. An example of these means of mass communication are radio, television, newspaper, magazines, books. So these are the methods, these are the mean of mass communication by which we can send a message to many people at the same time. That is the reason, student, we can say they can globally connect everyone. So with the help of the newspaper, radio, television, now what is happening in any part of the world. So all these things we are able to know with the help of these means of communication. And due to this means of mass communication, we are able to know what is happening in any part of the world. And student, the other benefit of these means of mass communication is it helps the people to discuss, read and express their opinions on different issues like politics, economic, sport, music, entertainment, etc. And student, this is possible only due to means of mass communication. So this is known as global connectivity in all part of the world. This is known as global connectivity, and this is possible due to different means of mass communication, because the same message is conveyed to large number of people at the same time, or we can hear, read, or in the television. Both the facilities are available. You can watch the live event also, and you are able to listen it also. So the benefit of it is this, that it helps the people to discuss, read and express their opinions on different issues like politics, sport, music, entertainment, etc. So note down the answer. Radio, television, radio, television, newspaper, magazines, and books, are the means of sending a message, message sending a message to many people at the same time, that is they can globally connect everyone, we can hear, read watch or watch what is happening, what is happening, what is happening all around the world. It helps the people, it helps the people to discuss, read and express their opinion. Opinions on different issues like politics, sports, music, entertainment, etc. So, student, radio, television, newspaper, magazines and books are the means of sending a message to many people at the same time. That is, they can globally connect everyone. We can hear, read or watch what is happening all around the world. It helps the people to discuss, read and express their opinions on different issues like politics, sports, music, entertainment, etc. Note down the answer or you can take a screenshot. Now let's start with question number 3. List some modern means of communication used by us. Now question number 3rd. List some modern means of communication List some modern mean of communication used by us. So, student, in present time, which modern means of communication which we are using? In present time, we have to tell the name of modern means of communication which we are using in our day-to-day life. So, the modern means of communication which we are using in the present time are laptop, tablet, computer, iPad, smartphone, that is your mobile phone, newspaper, television, etc. Now note down the answer. Some modern means of communication are laptop, tablet, computer, iPad, smartphone, or you can write mobile phone, newspaper, television, etc. So, student, these are some of the name of the modern means of communication which we are using, that is laptop, tablet, computer, iPad, mobile phones, or you can also write smartphone, both having the same meaning, newspaper, television, etc. Now note down the answer from the board, or you can take a screenshot. Now let's start with question number E, long answer questions. Long answer questions. Long answer questions. How is a satellite useful to us? How is a satellite useful to us? So see student, these now how is a satellite useful to us? So see student, these satellites are man-made. Okay, these satellites are man-made satellites, and these are very useful to us. With the help of the satellite help in sending messages and information quickly across the world, and this is possible through the signals, and these signals are sent by the satellites. So satellite is very useful student. We can messages very fast to any part of the world through signals, and they transmit messages and from one part of the world to another. So these satellites play a very important role for sending quick information to any part of the world, and this is possible because they send these messages or information through the signals. So while sitting in your home, you can watch live event in any part of the world with the help of the signals sent by the satellites, and these satellites are man-made. These satellites are man-made. Artificial artificial satellites artificial satellite help in sending artificial satellite help in sending messages and information quickly across the world through signals, and this is possible due to the signals. They transmit messages and programs from one part of the world to another. So student, these satellites are very helpful because they can send quick message information to any part of the world, because they send this through the signals. So artificial satellite help in sending messages and information quickly across the world. Most important thing, they are sending these messages with the help of a through signals. They transmit messages and programs from one part of the world to another. Yes, you can take a screenshot and then note down in your classwork copy. Now let's start with question number 2. Question number 2. Write about the early means of communication. Question number 2. Write about the early. Write about the early means of communication. So, in this question it is asked, what are the early means of communication? So, early means of communication which we see in the ancient time, that are through sign or symbol language, through drum beats also. They use the sign or symbol language, through drum beats also. Pigeon, they send messages with the help of a pigeon also. They send messengers also, and even the smoke, with the help of the smoke also they send the messages in the ancient time. So note down the answer. The early means of communication early mean of communication are through 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 sign or symbol language. Second point, through drum beats. Third point, pigeons, or they send messengers or smoke. So student, the early means of communication are through signal or symbol language, through drum beats, pigeons or messengers, or smoke. So these are the early means of communication. Thank you student.